Before you file your taxes in Germany, make sure you watch this video. Hello everyone, my name is the Smart Chef. You're welcome once again to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about payslip, which is the Lohnabrechnung as it's called in German. So previously, about a few days ago, I did a video that bordered around tax declaration, doing your tax declaration digitally without needing anybody or Steuer Berater, which is a tax advisor, and it got a lot of attention, and I decided to do a follow-up with this video. So this video is actually a follow-up to the previous video. In case you have not watched it, just click on my channel down below, then you can watch the video, and I hope you enjoy it. So today, like I said, we'll be talking about payslip, which is the Lohnabrechnung. What is a payslip? A payslip is a legal document that's usually sent to you from your boss at the end of every month when you receive your salary. So in that payslip contains a lot of information like your deductions, compulsory deductions that were made away from your salary, because when you receive your payslip, you see the gross salary, then you see the net salary. The gross salary, as you may know, is the total amount you earn for the month without the deductions or the subtractions, the compulsory deductions like tax and all of that. Then the net salary, which is the netto, as it's called in Germany, is the one that is not left in your account or paid to your account by your boss after all the deductions have been made automatically. So your boss paid those deductions, then he now pays the balance as your salary, as your net salary to your bank account. So that's how it's usually done in Germany. So, but a lot of people find it quite challenging or difficult to understand everything that is usually written on that legal document known as Lohnabrechnung in German, or payslip. So that payslip contains, like I said, every details of what we're taking away from your salary, the money, everything that you need to know. So sometimes those deductions, the purpose for the deductions, depending on your company or how the document was edited, you might see a lot of abbreviations that you don't understand. You understand? You begin to wonder, what am I being charged for? Like for instance, you see a lot of people paid church taxes in Germany, which is not compulsory if you don't belong to any recognized church in Germany. You understand? So a lot of deductions that might be done that you might not be aware of, where your money is going, where your money is not going, if it's legal for your money to go that way. Some people, for instance, might be paying for church taxes, which they might not know. If they don't check that payslip well, maybe they are not supposed to be paying for church tax because they don't belong to any church organization recognized in Germany. They might be paying and they don't know. So if you don't know how to check that